Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little way to store some of your paper collections in a cheaper way. Let's see. So I use these guys. These are the storage memory keepers. There's 10 of them for $6.50 because I usually never buy them on full price. I always wait till the oh, did they just take off? It doesn't say Paper Studio anymore. So I don't know if these are going to be ever 50% off again. Great. Unless the storage is 50% off. But I usually just get these on sale. I use those because they fit a bunch, you guys. Like chunky monkey. Like look, I have spools of ribbon. This is my carousel collection. And it just, you know, strings shut. Like so. La la la. And I put these in my calyx unit. But some collections that I like and have, but I don't have like a lot of it and I don't plan to get a lot of it. For instance, here's this. I got this collection from KG Crafts. It's the Simple Stories. And I just got a couple of the things, you know? I didn't go all walls out. But anyway, anything that's the 6x12, it does not fit in these. See these little, I have these short ones, which are like 8.5 by 11 style size ones. They're a little bit bigger, but I store all my holiday stuff by this. 12.5 inches wide, but it doesn't fit the 6x12s. So this, but by the time you have this whole entire piece up here, I mean, I could chop that part off, but it doesn't fit in these things. So these stick just for my holidays and sometimes my scraps. So I was like, what's a cheaper way to do this? And I did see, like older videos of just using the same things that like scrapbooking stores will send you your goods in, are big giant Ziploc bags. You can get Ziploc bags at Dollar Tree. They have like 3 packs, but they're much bigger. They're 15 inches wide, and then 15 inches is too big. Like it's too much room over on the side for me, for my liking. I mean, you could probably tape the bag off and stuff like this to get it to the size that you want, but these are 13 by 15. These are from Amazon, and you get 100 of them. And I can send Happy Mail projects in these. Anything else that could potentially make it more waterproof if you wrap your project in this, stick it in the bag, and then ship the bag. But, hold on. I wanted to show you guys, I think this is just a much cheaper, and look, it fits these big giant pieces as well. This is my cheaper route of storing some collections that I'm not going to get a lot of. And I don't want to use one of those big giant ones from Hobby Lobby because those are more pricey, you know? And the collection's not that thick. So why use something that expands when I can just use a simple Ziploc bag? I think you could get Ziploc bags at Walmart and stuff too, but these were definitely way cheaper than Dollar Tree or Walmart because I got them in bulk. I got 100 of them and I'm going to use them for that, you know? So I'm excited. This is just a cheaper way to do that. But to make it a little bit more sturdy, I did save a bunch of chipboard from you guys when you sent in your scrapbooking layouts. And I'm just going to back it in that so that it stands a little bit prettier when I have them all standing up vertically and against one another. You know, just like how they would send your scrapbook.com or your KG Crafts order. I have this without the bulk of that other package, so I can just line up a bunch of skinny collections that I have. So again, these came out to like 17 cents a bag, and I'll use them. I mean, it'll probably take a long time to use them, and then you could also use these around the house. Kids' toys, junk, yarn, organization, and they're these are a 2mm thick. There was a 4mm thick one that I was gonna get, but it was just, oh, it was so pricey. It was like $40 for 100 or 50 or something, and I was like, oh, I'm not gonna splurge that much. So here we go. Oh, I'm just sticking lollipop or popsicle stickers that I thought would go cute with this collection and the colors. I'm going to start doing that from now on. If I like something, I'm going to stick it in there. That totally reminds me of it, you know? So yeah, there we go. There's my other collections. That's it for today, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.